Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So tonight, you guys, is pizza night, and you will never believe how easy it is to make a keto-friendly pizza. So if you want to learn how and you want to see just how easy it is, join me. Coming right up and I will show you. Okay everyone, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get started on this pizza. So obviously the first thing that we are going to make is this dough. So in this bowl I have a half cup of almond flour, and to it I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, just about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And here is where you can get creative as far as your seasonings are concerned. You can just leave it as is, or you can add more seasoning. So to this one, I'm gonna add just a dash of garlic powder. Let's go ahead and give this a stir. And now for the cheese. 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And then lastly, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. And into the microwave, this goes for 60 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, out of the microwave, and this cheese, or I should say both the cheeses, are melted. Let's give it a quick stir. So the next thing that we are going to add is the 1 beaten egg. Okay, which I have right here. Mix that in. And in about 1 minute, we are going to have a dough that we're going to form into our pizza. Or I should say the crust for our pizza. As promised, the dough. All right. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is get a baking sheet here, and I've got some olive oil too. Baking sheet, and what I have here, you guys, is a round parchment paper liner. And I actually got these when I ordered some springform pans, so this will be the perfect size for an individual pizza, and it is about 9 inches round. Go ahead and put this dough right there in the center of this. Okay, and now that this is in the center, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it out towards the edge of this parchment paper round. And just that simple. You now have your pizza crust. There. And that is what that is looking like. Okay, now it's time for the toppings. So I am going to start with some olive oil, and I will tell you guys that my husband and I, we are not fans of tomato sauce on our pizza. And I think one of the reasons is because The pizza sauce, it kind of tastes almost too heavy and like really mass produced, and we don't like that flavor. But I'll tell you guys, if you know of a really light homemade tasting pizza sauce, please do let me know, and I will definitely give it a try. Take some of this olive oil and spread it out over this crust. Okay. And on my pizza, I am going to have some pepperoni and some black olives. So before I put that up here, I'm gonna put some more of the shredded mozzarella, spread it out. And of course, this part, you are only limited by your imagination. So whatever it is that you like on your pizza, just have at it. And as a matter of fact, once I finish mine, I'm gonna put one of these together for my husband too. And just as a reminder, my husband is not keto, obviously I am, but he absolutely loves this pizza. So on his, I'm going to put pepperoni, and he loves pineapple on his pizza. So that is going to be the toppings on his. All right, now for the pepperoni. All right, and then lastly, I am going to put some black olives. And I think for this evening, I'm just going to do black olives on half. And there we have it. We have a homemade pizza that is ready for the oven, which by the way has been preheating at 400 degrees. So I'm going to slide this in, and this is going to bake for 16 minutes. And while that is baking, I'm going to put together another one for my husband. I will see you soon. All right, everybody. This is hot out of the oven, and it is time to eat. So let me go ahead and cut this. One more. All right. Okay. And this is hot. Ooh. Look at that, you guys. The perfect slice of pizza. Okay. And then, of course, you can go the extra if you want. You can put some Parmesan cheese on it, or you can put some red peppers, which I like red pepper. So I'm going to sprinkle a little this on top, and I am going to taste this homemade pizza. All right. You guys, when you make this, I don't think you would ever give money to anybody else to make a pizza for you. So good. And I told you at the very beginning, just how easy it is to make pizza, especially the keto style because of this dough. You don't have to knead it. You don't have to spin it, flip it up in the air, of course, if that's what you want to do. If you have a dream of being a pizza spinner, then you just go right ahead, but you don't have to do that. All you have to do is put all the ingredients in the bowl, throw it in the microwave, mix it up, and your dough is ready. Put your toppings on it, put it in the oven, and this is what you have. So good, you guys. And while this was baking, just as I said, I put together one for my husband too, who is not keto, but he absolutely loves this pizza because it all started. I have to give credit for this dough to Nico's Kitchen because this dough is the same dough that I used in my garlic bread. And if you've not yet seen that video, I'll leave the link in the card above. Absolutely delicious. So this is the same dough that I adapted to a pizza. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged until we meet again. Keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you all so much for joining me. And bon appetit.